guys, welcome to my 2019 summer lookbook. I'm not really a fashionista, but just bear with me. So for my first outfit, I was going for more of a bohemian casual look. So I took some dangled feather earrings that I got from my aunt and some sunnies from Lulu's and paired that with a crochet top that I thrifted from Plato's Closet. So since this was more of a casual look, I paired the shirt with some light denim jeans from Hollister and a belt that I thrifted from Goodwill a while back. In the outfit, I also added a mini black backpack to match the belt and the silver hardware on it. For my second outfit, I was going for more of an outfit that would fit a hotter kind of day. To build this outfit, I started with some black Levi denim pants that I thrifted and DIY'd myself and matched it with a Forever 21 kimono with a cinched back. I also added a small silver accent watch. For my top, I wore a black halter from Forever 21. My third outfit, I was also going for another dressy but casual look. My accessory in this outfit, I started with some sunnies that my sister never wears. She keeps in her drawer, but she got them from Mercari. Next, I paired it with slip-on Vans and some gingham pants that I got from Old Navy. Top off the outfit, my shirt was from Fashion Nova and my purse was thrifted from Goodwill. Fourth outfit inspiration was more of a schoolgirl vibe. To start, I got my sunnies from my sister's top drawer again, but they were from PacSun. And my top was from... I don't know where my top was from, but it was a mock neck, and I got my tank dress from a place called Fashion Q. And to top it off, I also used a mini cake. Fifth outfit was more of a sunny girl vibe. So my dress is from Old Navy, and my shoes are from Topshop. This is really perfect for me because it can either be put on the shoulders or off. In the outfit, I matched my sister's super cute Tory Burch purse. My final outfit, I did a super duper casual look, just shorts and a t-shirt. My top is from Forever 21 and it's just a plain white tee. Next, my shorts are from Goodwill. I thrifted them as jeans, they're Edwin brand, and I DIY'd them into the shape and length that I wanted. Once again, my sunnies are from my sister's top drawer. Lastly, to tie this outfit all together, I added some Adidas Continental 80s. And that was it for my 2019 summer lookbook. Like I said, I'm no fashionista, but I did have so much fun putting this video together. As you can see, my summer essential is literally sunnies of every single color and every single shape. So comment and tell me what your summer essential clothing item is. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. You couldn't tell, I did a tongue click.